Hi everyone, this is my project 1 for CS50. We're programming with Python and JavaScript, the new version, the Wiki project. So this is the first page when we can see a lot of titles that we have on the base. They are formatted from Markdown to HTML. If I click on the page, I can see the name of the file on the path, but if I choose a path that does not exist, like it to show a message that does not exist, I can search for a title. So if I choose something that exists, it will show me, and I put this message if the title exists on the base. But if I choose a word, something that does not exist on the base but exists the word inside any file, it will be presented a list of files that have this word. So I can create a new page. If the title exists, it will show me a message that the file already exists and ask me to do something else. And I should be able to write down the Markdown content. And save it. And when I save it, goes to the entry page of the new page. I can also change any content. And it goes to the entry page with the name. And also we have a handle page. If I click here on handle page, it will show any content I have sorted. That's it. Thank you for watching.